Hello and welcome friends. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top marketing strategies for small businesses to grow, attract leads, and smash your sales targets, and to master your online presence. I'm Zuma, and as a marketing digital professional for more than 10 years, I worked with hundreds of brands and businesses around the world. And though the formula is simple, achieving results is not as easy as it seems. So if you want to figure out how to master marketing, even if you're a beginner, then watch the entire video as I'll be sharing a lot of useful information. Here you will learn about the digital assets to focus on and the marketing strategies that matter the most. So let me show you how it goes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can receive similar content before anyone else, and hit the like button to help spread this video. So for you to perform well with marketing these days, you need to invest in digital assets. So the first thing you need to do is to develop your digital assets, and that entails your website, your drip sequence, and your brand identity and design. With a website, you have a large space to talk about yourself and about your products and your services and to display them. A website also helps you achieve major conversions like lead generation or sales in case of an e-commerce website. Make sure your website is up to date, neat, simple, and as informative as possible. Drip sequence is an automated email marketing strategy designed to deliver several emails on a regular basis to subscribers. Email marketing like newsletters helps you stay in contact with your most engaged prospects to nurture them and convert them to customers. Keep your email subscribers engaged by sharing tips and articles that improve their lifestyle rather than promoting your products. And those emails don't need to be extensive. You can start with 1 or 2 simple paragraphs that have links that lead to your website to drive traffic. Third, we have brand identity and design. Keep your brand simple, neat, and of high quality. Spend time and money creating top-notch photography and videos of your products. I know that high quality production can be hectic, but once you do a good job on it, you will realize how those creatives will help you deliver the message and do sales for you with less effort. The second strategy here is SEO. Every day on the internet, there are people looking for you and your products. There are thousands of searches that occur every second. SEO is the shopping mall of the internet where people go to look for products. Not everyone is looking for your products, but there's a good bunch of people looking for you. And the bigger your exposure on the internet is, the more people will land on your website. Following the best practices of SEO will definitely drive results more than you can imagine. Here are 3 key areas to focus on for SEO. Keyword research will help you determine the keywords that you will use to reach out to your customers. Keyword Planner gives you hundreds of ideas of keywords and their search volumes to give you directions on which one to focus on the most. Keyword Planner is a tool by Google Ads, and all you need is a Google account to get started. For instance, if you have a flower shop, go on Keyword Planner and put a selection of keywords that someone looking for flowers will use to search. Something like flower shop. Then the tool will provide you with a long list of keywords to target with the average monthly search and an indicator of the competition. Then we have on-page optimization. And the purpose of on-page optimization is to make it easier for search engines to find your web pages. Make sure you have your meta tags in place, and that includes page titles and page descriptions that show on search engine result pages. Ensure your images and links have alt text, as this is what describes your image content and link to the search engine. And last, be sure to use H1 header tags on your pages. Reassure the search engine that your page is the best match for the search query. The most important thing after doing this is to stay consistent and be patient. SEO practices take time for results to show up, and the process can take 6 to 12 months before you start to see significant results. When you move from not showing at all on search engines to showing on the first page for specific keywords, that itself is a huge achievement. However, you need to stay consistent to improve your position and to drive traffic that leads to sales. Then you have search engine marketing. So if SEO is like a market, then search engine marketing is like a premium location in this market that everyone can see. SEM works the same way like SEO, where people search for keywords that you want to rank for. The difference is that you skip the waiting line by paying a fee. In this case, you exert way less effort than what was highlighted in the SEO. For SEM, you still do the keyword search, similar to what we have discussed in the SEO section. Then we have the click-through rate, which is very important for SEM. CTR, or click-through rate, is the number of impressions divided by the number of clicks that you have received. And this number needs to be as high as possible. It basically means that more people click on your ads when they show up. We also have on-page optimization, and this too is very similar to what we have discussed for SEO. The only addition here is that you need to capture leads with very clear calls to action. So you need to optimize your landing page with clear buttons of short and punchy call to actions to increase conversions. Calls to action like requesting a call back or filling a form online work very well. You can also use a lead magnet like request for a quote or to download an ebook. And this helps you track your cost per conversion. And last, we have social media marketing. Basically, you need to be where your customers are on social media. If you know your customers spend time on Facebook, then you need to be on Facebook. And if your target audience is on TikTok, then being on TikTok is a great idea. People trust people rather than businesses, so make sure you monitor your page well and listen carefully to what your customers are saying there. People also trust reviews, so encourage your customers to leave a review and ask them how you did. Ask them to leave a review on Google or on Facebook. Those are the most trusted channels for reviews. And when it comes to sharing content, don't just talk about how your product will help them, but rather talk about tips and hints that improve their lifestyle before you can ask them for anything. For example, if you're a hair salon, you can share 5 hairstyle techniques. And if you are in a food business, you can share 3 easy recipes to make smoothies at home, and so on. Now you have all you need to do great with marketing as a starter. So we talked about digital assets like a website, and email marketing, and great designs. We also talked about SEO and how it puts you in front of your target audience, and how search engine marketing can help you skip the line. Then we talked about the power of social media marketing. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments which strategy is your favorite. Bye for now and see you for the next video.